I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming every component is present and orienting the cardboard where printed tabs face up. This matters because lens alignment depends on the flap orientation. Once done, fold along the pre-scored lines sharply so the edges form firm creases. You want precise corners rather than limp cardboard, which keeps optical centers steady. Make sure to remove any phone case and clean the screen to avoid pressure points. Keep the Velcro and lenses separate until the slot is obvious. Now you insert the lenses so the convex curve faces your eyes. This magnifies the phone display correctly and reduces edge distortion. Once lenses seat, fold the main panels into a rectangular box and feed each tab into its matching numbered slot. Doing them in order prevents misalignment. Next, add the foam or cardboard spacer and stick Velcro where the phone will rest so the device centers without sliding. Keep testing alignment by holding the assembled frame to your face before final fastening. Place your phone into the holder with the screen centered over the lenses, then launch a cardboard-ready app and match the split-screen guide. This verifies horizontal and vertical alignment. Close the front flap and secure Velcro so the phone sits snug, and make sure there are no light leaks that lower contrast. You want a darkened tunnel for better immersion. If the stereoscopic images don't converge, gently adjust the spacer or move the lenses slightly. A single quarter turn of lens rotation can correct convergence issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.